So guys, now I will show you how you can scrape the data. So we will start scraping the data from Amazon. Before this, I'm searching the Amazon. I have with various kind of I made set. So I wanna most products I would like to search on Amazon is like yoga mats. So these are the very trending products. So we will search this query yoga mats inside the system. Now before, as I told you earlier, that you must have and see this. Yes, why I need Amazon account for web scraping? Yes, you need an Amazon account for web scraping because we don't have resources to scrape data without account. Once a bot log into your account, it will wait for a 45-second during the time if any captcha or verification process so Sean, you need to solve it really. Don't worry, usually appear once, not many times. So this is the I have set this uh, notification box. This question in my FAQ. Now I'm going to run the application. I will I will show you how when I type yoga mats and then I will click on search button. You will see it will receive the query and the console are shown to me on a live screen. This will really help you how you can what the kind of scraping process is running on. So so don't worry, there's some sort of errors, runtime errors, and scraping product details from Amazon. Yes, when I yes, so now I'm gonna click on it. Yes, start scraping the data. The password, it simply open. Right now there is no sort of any captcha is appear, so it's a good thing. But when you open multiple times or once, more than a one time in a day, so maybe some sort of, you can say, a captcha or any kind of login information required, so you need to solve it manually. Right now we don't have any APIs, but inshallah with the passage of time I will integrate this, and now you can see it starts scraping the data, opening multiple tabs. It's a Playwright Chromium browser, so you will notice this. I will show you this scraping process takes some longer times, and yes, skip that part because it will take some longer time. It take uh, uh, more than 5 minutes. So now I move to the view data and I will see this sort of data I have recently scraped, and this is the Amazon FBA products data JSON, and this is the file I have recently created. So now you can see this. Basically it scraped the data, and this is the information what I have scraped down, and price ratings, total reviews, items sold last items sold last month, and the most important thing is than expected revenue last month. So this product got sales, it's more than $9,000 last month. It is a running product on the Amazon, and it was the FBA product. So the same case, basically it scrape, it fetches the data, and here is the JSON file. The JSON file contain the products JSON data, uh, and it's some sort of error, don't worry. And this is the report. So this is the report of the I have scrapped, and let me share this to you guys. Yes, uh, this is the information. This is the report of the data. I have recently scraped down information, all the necessary information contained by this Amazon FBA products data analysis report, and the number of the variables, number of the observations, missing cells, or everything to you, and the variables, interactions. You see how the rating goes on, and how things are missing values overall, and the sample. So this is the sample data. Also you can see this some sort of information we have scraped down, and this is the complete report of the data I have scraped down, and these are the last rows. So overall this used to scrape information. There's some sort of bugs, don't worry, I can fix it down, but my main purpose to show you that how good is what that to extract that extract information. So what basically is doing, it take the product and scrap the items from the stores, the best selling items, item with the highest brought rate and the highest number of the revenue in the last month. So I'm able to extract information from this page. So I hope guys it will really affect you and you're able to analyze. This is the great tool for the analyzing data, and I was very surprised that how fantastic it was that. So you can use this scraper to extract a huge amount of data, but keep in mind there's some pros and cons. The cons is that it'll take time. It requires login to see the data, and here I think these are the logs. No logs right now. So I hope guys you really enjoy the video. I'm showing you the whole stuff, how the software work and fetch the data. The scrapping part was skipped because it takes more than 5 minutes. I cannot take this video longer. I cannot shoot this video more than 10 minutes. I have a limited subscription. So I hope guys you like my video. So thank you very much.